back to Princess Charming Styles. Sorry, I look like I cried. I just had to wipe this wet napkin just in case something goes wrong. I'm going to keep it with me, not just throw it in the trash. So, we are going to start off with Cinderella. Yay! Okay. Cinderella. Okay. Ow. Something's in my eye. 1 second. Oh, booger. Whatever they call it. Oh, just the eye booger. They always get in my eyes when I wake up. Not my fault. Probably because when I'm asleep it creates whatever. Oops, sorry. I was standing on my tiptoes because I'm not tall enough yet. But sorry. It's sometimes I have to, boom down low, boom high up. And now we are going to start off. So we are going to get this dark blue. Put it on your eye. You can do blush after you do eyeshadow, but you can't do blush after you do lipstick. Promise me. You won't do that. Oh no, messed up. That's why I always carry this napkin. Me. Oops. Okay, don't worry. I got it all fixed. Don't worry. Whoa. I need to wipe this off. Sorry, I didn't stand on my tiptoes earlier. Yay! Okay, now I'm going to do a little of the color. Remember we were talking about this in the other video? We are going to do it. Where's that one? Because sometimes if you do it wrong, you always have backup. And you don't want to wipe your eyes. Yeah. No one can do that. Except me and Cindy, but I bet y'all can. Yeah. Y'all can. Now, this time, we're moving on to the blush. What color is she? I think she's the color of us, like blonde. My hair's like gold. It looks like it in the picture, like in the video, but in the mirror, it's like gold. So this is not blush to blend in your skin, so it can look better. Like if there's any scratches, like see that little red dot, cover that up with that. See? I'm gonna get some more because my toesies hurt from standing on my tiptoes. Not tall enough. See, my mouth is reaching the ground. Even though I'm 6. And that brown spot, I'm going to cover that up so it doesn't look all weird. Yeah. Okay, next we have purple blush. No, not purple blush. I have a lot of purple and pink blush, but we're going to start with pink because she does not wear purple like Sophia the First. Sophia the First wears all purple. Like her sister, I like her sister because her sister wears yellow, not like pretty purple. I don't really like purple, but I like making these videos because I haven't put on makeup in a very, very long Ow, my toe. Ah, so hurts. I know, my sister was a little baby. She did that, if y'all can see me. Sorry if my thing is in the way. It's in the way to me. Don't worry. Oh, I was just planning to close that. Thank you. You're never gonna get a spanking again. Okay. Now, what color does Cinderella wear? Red! Great job. I guess red. Red is my lucky man. I kind of messed up right here. You can see it. Oops, messed up a little bit more. And voila, we're done. Bye.